My name is Vijay Krishna. I am from Consul Neowatt Power Solutions Private Limited. I am heading the IT there. I am a AGM IT. Consul Neowatt is a 34 years plus old company spread across 75 locations in India. Also, we have export business in Africa and some Middle East countries. We actually basically create UPS, inverters and solar and other products more on a B2B scale actually. For Consul, the live business, for a Consul Neowatt, I would say, earlier it will be totally islands and silos of information which is to be collated manually and a lot of things to be done. And also the business process. Suppose if I want to put a one condition like any discount approval or any workflow system or anything, it has to be duplicated in many actual times, and we don't have any control whether it's been done actually. Now single SAP instance for ERP and CRM on Suite on HANA, once we implemented like that for all the three companies and merged it. So everybody talks about single database, single truth of information, so that all decisions also in real time, and any approvals or any workflows, discount approvals, commission approvals, everything is done by a single workflow instead of having too many systems and processes. For live business, for Consul Neowatt, I would say is a transparency and one single truth. So this actually brings in a lot of transparency, and it enables decision making and real time. SAP helps us run simple in Consul Neowatt by bringing in synergy in all business processes across the geography, across the divisions actually. Running simple is benefit us by cutting down time to market, time to take decisions, because everybody knows what to do. It's a common system, it's a simple system across the spectrum of the business. So everybody knows what to do. So by this we are reduced to time, we are able to follow where to do actually, and everybody is seeing a single system. So running simple for Consul Neowatt, I would say, making things easier, making it transparent, across the areas people understand what is required to achieve our common goals. SAP helps Consul Neowatt to run simple.